Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the Xperia has 50% charge and is online, because remote unlock or reset needs a connection. First, attempt the pattern carefully. Failed attempts introduce time delays and lockouts, so pace yourself. Once you've reached the limit, use your Google account via Find My Device to ring, locate, or erase the phone. This bypasses the pattern by factory reset. If the lock is from a third-party app, boot to safe mode to test whether the pattern disappears. Now you move into the recovery options. Reboot to safe mode by holding power, then long pressing power off. This temporarily disables third-party apps, so you can remove a malicious lock app. If safe mode does not help, sign into Google Find My Device on a computer and select Erase Device to factory reset remotely. This wipes data, but removes the pattern. If Find My Device is unavailable, prepare to enter Xperia recovery mode using hardware keys for a manual factory reset. This is the reliable fallback. To finish, power off the phone and enter recovery mode, usually by holding volume up and power together. Timing varies by model, so keep trying. In recovery, select Wipe Data/Factory Reset, confirm and wait for the process to complete, then reboot. Afterward, you must sign in with the original Google account to pass factory reset protection, so have those credentials ready. If recovery mode errors occur or the device won't boot, use Sony PC Companion for a software repair or contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.